Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to show you my latest project, Pixel Perfect, fully responsive clone of Airbnb listing page built with React and Tailwind CSS. When you look at the Airbnb, it looks simple, but under the hood, the UI is actually incredibly complex. We are talking strictly navigation, photo grid, and custom horizontal views, and some really tricky state management. In this video, I am going to walk you through the live project, jump into the code base, and show how exactly I build the incredibly hardest problem I saw to solve. Let's get started. First of all, in phase one, we look into the code layout and hero section. Here you see this is a code layout and hero section. Here is our dynamic header section. When we it's just relative with our hero section, when we go up and then new header is come up. Okay, here we see in the code in app.js I used the component driven approach. I want the main file to act as the orchestra, pulling data and showing to all the thing at the one. The first big piece was the hero section with this 5 photo I so I built a photo grid. Here you can see that photo grid with CSS. Okay, component using the Tailwind CSS. The tricky here was getting the layout right. The massive image on the left taking up to 550% of it, and the 2 by 2 grid on the right taking up to the other 50%. I also added a subset hover effect using the group hover to slightly drag and the image when you hover them, like you see that. Okay, when we hover the cursor is so that it's a zoom in, like we see like that. Now let's move to the phase two, the two column layout. Here we see that it's a left column here is scrollable and the right column stay it intact. It's a two column layout. The Airbnb use a classic two-column layout here. On the left, we have all the listing detail, things like the host summary, emails, and the calendar. On the right side, we have booking card. Let's we see that in the booking card, I show you in the here booking detail. If you see the booking card, I make a booking card of JSX, which have all information about the booking. Like I for to make this, I achieve using a Tailwind grid setup grid called 30 pixel, the dedicated exact 370 pixels so that the booking card and its left side take up the remaining space. But the cool part is booking card itself. I made it sticky using the position sticky top 28. This means the user read through the describe and the emit is the reserve button and the pricing are always right there on the screen. This is a crucial UI detail for convey. Now we move to the phase three, the photo tool. It's a very hardest part of this project. Here you see that the show all photo button. When we click on the show all the photos, we move to the our photo section. We see that the all the photos library. User click on the kitchen photo. All the kitchen photo come up in the user to living room to then the all the living room photo come up like a smooth animation. This was really tricky. I had to pass a click photo URL all the way up to the app.js state and the back down into the photo to component. Here we see that the photo to component. 1 minute. Okay. Here is a photo to component. This here really like exact photo when open. Really tricky. I had to pass the click inside photo to I wrote the user effect. Group that file when the model open is search through my plotness array of photo, find the exact index of the image, grab the DOM On top of that, the photo inside the to use the manually layout one big photo, then two small big photo, then two small, one big, then two small like that. So the three photo, there's a one photo big and two small. If the five photo, then the one big, two small, and one big and a third small like that layout. Now let's move to the polishing part. But I spend a lot of time to the polish this exact site because here developing is not a main task, but actual making the pixel perfect. Like a logo is it's the padding is a 5 or 3 like that. Here is a home is like that. This is a very important part, but everyone can achieve that. Like this is a lucid glyph. Yeah, here is a different and here is also then we have to develop its by owner. We have to maintain the design. And that's the project. Building the Airbnb clone was a massive learning experience, especially for the mastering complex CSS grid and the React state management across multiple overlay. If you want to check out the code, I will link the GitHub repo in the description below. Let me know in the comment which part of the UI you think is the hardest to build. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the React project. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one.